Hi, I'm Mike Rousseau. I'm the QA Director at Facilis Technology. Facilis has been around since 2003. We're all industry veterans that the company's comprised of. We all have experience working at Avid Technology and other big players in the industry. We're here at CCW. We're working with version 5. That's what we're showing at the show here. I'm going to walk through a couple new features that we have. One of the new features that we're showing is the ability to create a new volume from an Ethernet client. Our multi-user write functionality, this is something that has been completely rewritten for version 5. You can create a volume now from an Ethernet client, and the server actually goes through and creates the volume for you. This is something that we were unable to do before, which is a great new feature. The benefit of creating the volumes multi-user write from an Ethernet client is you don't need to have a fiber channel client in your setup now. Before you had to create the volume from the server itself, now you can create it from any client that's in your facility. Another really nice feature that we have is the ability to do native Avid project sharing. So within the Avid, when you create a project, you have the green or red bin locked icons. This allows you to be able to share projects, the same project, across multiple machines. Makes for a much easier workflow, much more collaborative workflow to work across your facility if you're working with Avids. On a Final Cut, we actually developed our own project sharing as well. That's something that we're showing new with version 5 as well. So if I go over to my Mac machine here, I have what's called the FCP Project Manager. So this little application allows you to share Final Cut projects and be able to lock them from the other users. So if there's something exclusive that you want someone to use on another machine, just by viewing it or be able to use those assets, they can't actually resave over your project and destroy any of your work that you've done, which is really nice. This is what Facilis Technology makes and creates, is the TerraBlock. This is the server. Everything is basically a self-contained server direct unit. You can direct connect fiber channel attached clients or Ethernet clients to the same box, and you can grow your facility from there by adding either another server, 2, 3 servers, whatever the bandwidth or the demands, whatever you need. One great feature of the TerraBlock is that we support Pro Tools clients. The Pro Tools clients, we can do up to 192 tracks on a single user write volume. What the single user write volume is an exclusive writable volume where everyone else could read from it. A multi-user write volume, which is a shared write volume, we're able to use that as well. So Pro Tools, with Pro Tools 9, you can use the multi-user write volume for what's shared or considered file level, or single user write. You can use either or with our system. We're cross-platform. You can have Windows machines, Mac machines, all in the same storage. So people can use Final Cut editing systems. They can use Avid editing systems. Premiere is also supported by us. The latest Final Cut X, all supported by us. All can be used all in our storage system. It also has capabilities of doing 2K and 4K workflows as well. One of our mainstays throughout the years has been our high performance, where you can add multiple chassis for higher performance or just get the utmost high performance from one chassis itself. We service a multitude of different clients, from broadcast to post-production boutique shops. Other places that we have our systems in are churches, educational facilities, you name it. To find out more information, you can visit www.facilis.com. That's Facilis.com, facilis.com.